Easy Arduino project.
This is a dimming LED project. It makes use of an analog pins to dim the light. The analog pin in Arduino accepts values of 0 to 255. I am specifying my variable, LED, which will hold the pin on the Arduino where I will connect my LED. I also specified my delay number named det. The pin mode for the LED is output, and we are using analog write, which works with analog numbers 0 to 55, unlike using high or low for digital. In the void loop function, I will specify what should happen to the LED connected to the analog pin in the Arduino. I will first set the Arduino off by passing 0 into analog write. I will dim it by passing a number between 0 and 255, which is 128. And I will turn it fully on by passing a 255. Next is the simulation. As you can see, I have connected the LED to pin 7 and specified that pin 7 receives analog signals. Using analog read, it's not going to be obvious in simulation because it's a simulation, but a physical project will show it. And the pulse wave generated shows that it sent out analog signals. The result